Ready to transform your love for Notion into a side hustle? First, brainstorm a template idea that solves a common problem. Think project management, habit tracking, or even a simple recipe organizer. Next, build your template in Notion. Focus on clean design, user-friendliness, and real value. Use headings, toggles, databases, and even embed relevant resources. Take advantage of Notion's database features to create a dynamic and interactive experience. Customize properties like status, priority, and due date to help users stay on top of their tasks. Don't forget to add sample data to showcase the template's functionality. Once your template is perfected, make it shareable. Click the Share button and select Share to Web. Choose Allow Duplicate as templates so users can copy into their own Notion workspace. Now it's time to sell. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easy to list and sell your Notion templates. You can also showcase and sell templates on your personal website. Create a compelling product listing with high-quality screenshots and a detailed description outlining the template's benefits. Set a fair price based on the value it provides and similar templates on the market. And that's it. With a well-designed template and a smart sales strategy, you can start earning money while helping others stay organized with Notion.